When you're grading a student's document, like this document, and you're using a Word document, like this Word document, to cut feedback out of and then to come back and paste it into the assignment, I want to show you that it's easier to use the Alt-Tab than it is to click back and forth between these two. So when I'm in this document, I've got the Word document opened in a completely different Chrome browser, and I'm going to use the Alt-Tab to get over to that document. And I just have to get there the first time. And then from there on, I can just use the Alt-Tab to go back and forth between my student's document and my Word document. So when I'm grading, I usually expand the size of the grade area. And so this makes it so I can zoom the text up larger and I can make comments out here in the margins, and I won't have to move the screen back and forth. But if I'm going to go to a Word document through the tab keys, it's going to be harder because I'm going to have to go back. I'm going to have to exit the full screen, and then I'm going to have to go to the Word document. And then I'm going to copy whatever feedback I have. And then I'm going to tab back here. And then I'm going to get back into full screen. And then I'm going to make my comment here. Well, that was a lot of tabs, or a lot of clicks to accomplish. But if I'm using the Alt-Tab method, I can just stay in this full screen mode. I can hit the Alt-Tab. I can get into this document. I can copy whatever it is I'm copying. I can Alt-Tab back, and then I can make my comment. So by using the Alt-Tab, it's much faster to get to your Word document and back, and to be able to stay in full screen mode.